Failing to maintain your manufacturing facility and equipment in top form can easily earn you a warning letter. A case study and how to avoid such unfortunate situations coming up. I'm Jan Kugel from Qualistary.com, where we provide fun and highly effective live online GMP workshops delivered to you by top educators in the field. Welcome to another episode of Letters to Avoid, a series about GMP where we examine regulatory mistakes made by companies worldwide. Those errors cost them an FDA warning letter, and it is vital that we learn from them. Today I'm talking about a warning letter received by a company located in the USA. The company manufactures various products such as laxatives and fever reducers. When the FDA inspector toured the manufacturing facility, he noticed dislodged and missing sealing tiles directly above the mixing tank, open hopper, and a filling machine. That all happened while they were manufacturing a product. Such production conditions are a clear violation of 21 CFR Part 211.58. It is a simple regulation that requires that companies maintain any building they use for manufacture, processing, packing, or holding a drug product in good condition. And in this case, the way the company produced its drugs was an invitation for product contamination. Missing tiles are an invitation for dust, microorganisms, and vermin. To make sure this doesn't happen in your facility, please conduct an internal audit and look around carefully. Examine not only the equipment but also the state of the building and the infrastructure. If you don't work in the quality assurance department, remember that you are still part of the quality team. If you encounter any disrepair in your area, please report it immediately to your supervisor or the QA. Here is the crucial part. If you find any disrepair, you or the responsible department must create systematic and comprehensive corrective actions and preventive actions plan. In this CAPA plan, you need to ensure two things. 1. Everything gets repaired promptly. Secondly, create a maintenance plan that will ensure that the facilities don't fall into disrepair again. I hope you enjoyed this episode and found it informative. If you did, please leave a comment and share your thoughts in the comment section. And of course, feel free to share the episode with your peers. Stay compliant and see you in the next one.